train layout. This is it. This is my third time trying to film this and made a discovery too, guys. That is O-scale track. That is 2, but doesn't really fit on it. But those O-scale trains don't really fit on it. And let me fix that, okay? Sorry, my nose. I think I might be getting sick, but I'm trying to, oh yeah. I'm gonna put a train on the track now. Let me just find the train. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, there you go. Now, let's put it on the track over here. So my phone's at 11% right now. Oh, I forgot I turned it off. Okay, I hope that's B. I think it is, please. Okay, there it is. Okay. Okay, and now. By the way, I'm filming on my iPhone 6s. So, and there you go, it's off now. Okay. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna show you this train going now, okay? So it goes up and around here, and then so I can go back around there or on this track and then go back around. So I'm not going to show you the entire thing. It's just probably going to take too long. Okay, so I'm going to get it set up over there. I will be back with it all set up. So there you go, guys. We got it all set up. And now, wait, let me just bring it back a little bit. Okay, and then now, let's go forward. And now let's turn. Then let's go forward. I can either do that, or that, which is just moving forward. Okay, so now I love this part, guys, because I can have 2 trains running at the same time. And with other very together. Guys, now stop talking now. Right now I'm not looking for the camera. Sorry guys, now I am. Wait. 1 second guys. I'm gonna make it look better. Okay. There you go, guys. Okay. That was so close, guys. Okay, so and then stop, and that way, and then there you go, guys. Now it's going. And that part. Road trains can't even get up that part, guys. So, well, I think that'll be it for this video. Please leave a like or just a subscribe on this video, and also comment in the comment section below, guys. If I just keep making these train videos, keep making Minecraft videos about or both, and keep filming on this track for a little while until I have to clean up, guys. And well. That'll be it for this video. Bye-bye, guys.